the $47 monthly fee your bank hopes you'll never notice. You're paying $12 for a checking account fee, $3.50 for ATM withdrawals, $15 for overdraft protection, $10 for paper statements, and $6.50 for wire transfers. That's $47 per month, or $564 per year going straight to your bank for services you can get completely free somewhere else. Over 20 years, these unnecessary fees cost you $11,280. I'm about to show you exactly which fees to eliminate and how to switch to accounts that charge you nothing. The fees banks don't want you to see. Traditional banks make billions from monthly fees that customers either don't notice or accept as normal. The average American pays $329 per year in banking fees, according to recent studies. High-fee customers pay over $600 annually. Here are the most common fees hiding in your account. Monthly maintenance fees, $10 to $15. ATM fees, $2.50 to $5 per transaction out of network. Overdraft fees, $30 to $35 per incident. Insufficient funds fees, $30 to $35. Paper statement fees, $5 to $10 per month. Wire transfer fees, $15 to $45 per transfer. Foreign transaction fees, 3% of the purchase amount. Account closure fees, $25 to $50. Minimum balance fees, $10 to $15 monthly if you fall below threshold. You can eliminate almost all of these by switching to the right bank. My $680 annual fee wake-up. 3 years ago, I reviewed my bank statements for the entire year. I was shocked to find I'd paid $680 in fees. $144 in monthly maintenance fees for checking and savings accounts. $180 in ATM fees from using out-of-network ATMs while traveling. $105 in overdraft fees from 3 incidents where I miscalculated my balance. $60 in paper statement fees. $120 in wire transfer fees. $71 in miscellaneous fees like cashier's checks and account research. I was furious. These were services I could get for free, but I was paying because I never questioned my bank. I switched to an online bank that month. 1 year later, I'd paid exactly $0 in banking fees. I saved $680 and earned 4.5% interest on my savings instead of 0.01%. The banks that charge nothing. Here's what most people don't know. Online banks and credit unions offer the same FDIC insurance and services as big banks, but with 0 fees and higher interest rates. Online banks. No physical branches, so lower overhead costs. No monthly maintenance fees. No minimum balance requirements. Higher interest rates on savings, often 4% to 5% versus 0.01% at big banks. ATM fee reimbursement. Many refund all ATM fees nationwide. Free wire transfers or low flat fees. No overdraft fees if you opt out of overdraft protection. Popular options include Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Capital One 360, Discover Bank, and Chime. Credit unions, member-owned, not-for-profit, typically no monthly fees, lower loan rates and higher savings rates than big banks. Shared branch networks let you bank at thousands of locations. More personalized service. Find local credit unions at mycreditunion.gov. The fee-free banking setup. Here's the exact account structure that eliminates all fees. Primary checking, online bank with ATM reimbursement, used for daily spending and bill payments, no monthly fee, unlimited ATM fee reimbursements, free online bill pay, mobile check deposit. High-yield savings, online bank paying 4% plus. Store your emergency fund here. Earn actual interest instead of pennies. No monthly fee, no minimum balance. Easy transfers to checking when needed. Credit union membership for special needs. Use if you need in-person banking occasionally. often has better loan rates when you need auto or personal loans, usually no fees for members. This 3-account setup costs you nothing and maximizes your money. How to switch banks without stress. People stay with fee-charging banks because switching seems complicated. It's not. Here's the process. Step 1. Open your new accounts. Open checking and savings at your chosen online bank or credit union. This takes 15 minutes online. You'll need your ID, social security number, and initial deposit amount. Step 2. Set up direct deposit. Contact your HR department and update your direct deposit information. Give yourself one pay cycle overlap where money might still go to your old bank. Step 3. Transfer automatic payments. List all bills on autopay from your old account. Update each one to your new account. Do this over 2 to 4 weeks to avoid missed payments. Step 4. Transfer your balance. Once direct deposit and autopay are switched, transfer your remaining balance from old bank to new bank. Step 5. Close the old account. Call your old bank and request account closure. Get confirmation in writing. Some banks charge closure fees if you close within 90 to 180 days of opening, so check first. The whole process takes 3 to 4 weeks. The annual savings makes it worth the temporary hassle. The overdraft fee scam. Overdraft fees are the biggest scam in banking. Banks charge you $35 to cover a $4 coffee purchase when your account is $2 short. Here's what they don't tell you. Overdraft protection is optional. You can opt out. If you opt out and try to spend more than you have, the transaction simply declines. No $35 fee. Banks make billions from overdraft fees, mostly from customers who have low balances and can least afford the fees. Opt out of overdraft protection. Let transactions decline. Use account balance alerts on your phone. Link your checking to savings for free transfers to cover shortfalls. Never pay $35 for a declined transaction again. Real cost comparison. Let's compare 2 people over 10 years. Person A, big bank with fees. 12 monthly maintenance fee. $15 average monthly in ATM fees. $60 annual in miscellaneous fees. Total, $384 per year in fees. $10,000 emergency fund earning 0.01% interest equals $10 annual interest. Net cost over 10 years, $3,840 in fees minus $100 in interest equals negative $3,740. Person B, fee-free online bank. $0 monthly maintenance fee. $0 ATM fees reimbursed. $0 miscellaneous fees. Total, $0 per year in fees. $10,000 emergency fund earning 4.5% interest equals $450 annual interest. Net gain over 10 years, $0 in fees plus $4,500 in interest equals positive $4,500. The difference between these 2 people is $8,240 over 10 years. Same money, different bank, massive wealth gap. Fees you should never pay. Here's a simple rule. If your bank charges any of these fees regularly, switch banks immediately. Monthly maintenance fees. Free checking accounts exist everywhere. ATM fees. Many banks reimburse all ATM fees. Overdraft fees. Opt out of overdraft protection. Paper statement fees. Go paperless. It's better for the environment anyway. Minimum balance fees. Online banks have 0 minimum requirements. Account closure fees. Credit unions and online banks rarely charge these. The only fees that are sometimes unavoidable and reasonable. Wire transfer fees for international transfers, though some banks waive these too. Cashier's check fees, if you need them, usually $5 to $10. Stop payment fees, Usually $20 to $35, but you shouldn't need these often. What to do this week? Log into your bank account and download the last 12 months of statements. Add up every fee you paid. The total will shock you. Research fee-free alternatives. Compare online banks and local credit unions. Read reviews and check their fee schedules. Open a new fee-free checking account. You don't have to close your old account yet. Just open the new one. Set up direct deposit to your new account starting with your next paycheck. Transfer 1 or 2 automatic payments to test the new account. Once you're confident, move everything over. After 30 days of using your new account with 0 issues, close your old fee-charging account. Banking fees are optional. Stop paying them. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I drop new finance strategies every week that most creators won't tell you about. Also, visit Own Your Finance blog for more in-depth financial tips and hacks, whether it's banking strategies, fee elimination, money management, and more. Don't forget to download my free guide, Finally Break Free from Living Paycheck to Paycheck, the simple 10-step budget that actually works, and start building real wealth today. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.